Students, let's start our today's class, Polynomials and Factorization, exercise 2.5, fourth bit. Exercise 2.5, fourth bit. I'm just reading the question for you all. Expand each of the following using suitable formula. First one we did it in previous video. The second one is 2a minus 3b whole cube. 2a minus 3b whole cube. This is cube. So cube formula, x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, we are going to expand in this. Now in the place of x I am going to substitute 2a. In the place of y I am going to substitute 3b. That is 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into, in the place of x again 2a, in the place of y 3b into x is again 2a minus 3b. That is 2a to the power of 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. A into a is a cube. 3b whole cube, that is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 b cube minus 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18 ab into 2a minus 3b. Yeah. Moving to the, see the third bit is similar to the first one which we did previously. Now let's move to the fourth bit, that is x a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. In the place of x I am going to substitute a by 4. In the place of y I am going to substitute minus b by 2. In the place of z I am going to substitute 1. So that is a by 4 square plus minus b by 2 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into, in the place of x that is a by 4 into, in the place of y minus b by 2 plus 2 into, again in the place of y minus b by y, in the place of z that is 1 plus 2 into, again in the place of x a by y into 1, that is a square, that is a square by, square is both for numerator and denominator, 4 4s are 16, plus this minus, that is minus into minus becomes plus, b by 2 whole square is b square by 4 plus 1 minus, see this 2 and this 2 we can cancel, plus minus is minus ab by 4 plus minus is minus, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, that is b by, sorry, this is 2, so this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so minus b into 1 is minus b plus 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is a by 2. Is it clear? So answer is a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus a by 2. Now let's move to the next one. Next one will move. P plus 1 whole cube. In the place of x I am going to substitute p. In the place of y I am going to substitute 1. That is p cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into p into 1 into p plus 1. Very simple, just you need to by heart the formulas. That is p cube plus 1 cube, that is 1 only, plus 3p into p plus 1. 3p into p plus 1. Multiply this, p cube plus 1 plus 3p into p is 3p square plus 3p. Next one, x minus 2 by 3 y whole to the power of 3. Here two formulas is there. You can substitute in any one. This formula I have did it in previous one. So I'll do with the first formula so that you can learn this formula even. So in the place of x, I am going to substitute x. In the place of y, I am going to substitute 2 by 3y. So that is in first formula I am substituting x cube minus place of x x1, in the place of y 2 by 3 y cube minus 3 into, again in the place of x only, that is x square, in the place of y 2 by 3y plus 3 into, again in the place of x is x, in the place of y is 2 by 3y whole square, that is x cube minus numerator 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 y to the power of 3 by denominator 3 to the power of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 minus, see here this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, so 2x square y plus 3x into, see here 2 into 2, that is 4y square by 3 3s are 9. Square is for numerator and denominator. Numerator it is 2y. So 2 2s are 4. Y into y is y square by 9. So 3 1s are 3 3s. I'll cancel it. Answer is x cube minus 8y cube by 27 minus 2x square y plus 4xy square by 3. Is it clear? Moving to the next bit, factorize, that is fifth one. Factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xy. See, here the expanded form is given, we have to write it in a compact form. That is x or 25, I can write it as 5x whole square. 16 I can write it as 4y whole square. 4 I can write it as 2z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2. In the place of x I can put it 5x. In the place of y I can put it 4y. Is it clear? And one more thing here, minus is there. That means, what do you notice? The minus is for the first term and the last term. That is, wherever there is x, minus is coming. Okay, wherever there is x, minus is coming. So this becomes minus 5. This will be what? Minus 5. Is it clear? Minus, it is visible here. Okay, fine. Plus 2 into y is what? 4y and z is 2z plus 2 into x is minus 5x and z is 2z. We have to write in a compact form, that is x plus y plus z whole square. Our x is what? Minus 5x plus y is what? 4y. Z is what? 2z whole square. That's it. So simple. Now next problem. Next problem, 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. See, minus is here where c is there. Okay, for b it is not there, a it is not there. That means c is negative here. I can write 9a square as 3a square. Same formula, above formula. Plus 4b square, I can write it as 2b whole square. Plus this is 4c whole square minus 4c whole square. This is minus 4c whole square. Minus into minus becomes plus here. But when it comes here, it becomes negative. Plus 12 into a is 3a into b is 2b minus, just a second, 2 formula में देखिए 2ab, okay, plus 2b, that is 2b, c is what? Minus 4c plus 2 into a, c, a is what? 2xy, that is AC, that is 3a into minus 4c. So this is our expanded value. We are going to write it in a short one, that is 3a plus 2b minus 4c whole square. Again I'll say this is 2ab, 2xy, sorry I'm using ab term here, 2xy, 2, x is 3a and y is 2b, plus 2yz, 2, y is 2b, z is minus 4c, plus 2xz, x is 3a and z is minus 4c. Is it clear? Now next problem. Next question, sixth one. If a plus b plus c is equals to 9, look into your textbook. If a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26, then find the value of a square plus b square. So a square, a plus b plus c is given and ab plus bc plus ca is given. That is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. This I am writing in ABC notation, that is a plus b plus c whole square. I have written the formula. So a square plus b square plus c square plus, here 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there. I took it as common. That is 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Now substitute a plus b plus c value is 9 square. 9 is given, so whole square is equals to this value we have to find it. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is given as 26. So that is 9 9s are 81 is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 26 2s are 52. So a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. When you subtract, you will be getting the answer as 29. A square plus b square plus c square is equals to 29. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.